Hi, Deidre. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I've got your lesson plan here, and I was just looking it over. And if you can just briefly describe what you'll be doing in class, or what
Sure.
class is it that you're teaching? Let's start there.
So this is engineering design, and it's engineering design 1 and 2 in the same class. And we are starting on CAD, computer aided design, and designing buildings for that. So today's class, we're going to review a little bit of our SketchUp, which is the CAD program that we're doing, some tools that we're doing. I usually do that for 10 minutes. And then the kids have been working on a project for architectural styles. So they've been doing research of styles, and they're making presentations of the different styles. So the other kids are learning from them and taking notes on those while they do that.
Okay. Do you have any students that have an IEP or 504 or gifted children in this class?
I don't have anybody that's officially designated in this class, but I have had most of them before, so I sort of know their levels, and I do know that some of the 10th graders, engineering 1s that we have, are students that do need extra support, so I have some kind of scaffolding stuff going on.
Okay, good. So we're going to be doing it virtually. You're doing it through Zoom, correct?
Yes.
And so some of the student work that they'll be producing for you?
So they produce a slides presentation of the architectural styles.
Okay.
So that will be handed in,
Okay.
and then they will be the other students will be taking notes on the presentations that they see, and they will also reflect a little bit about the presentation style as well.
Okay. All right. And then I sent you over the CSTPs to take a look at. Have you had a chance to look over those?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Is there any CSTP that you feel that is your strength, that you're really good in?
I think for planning instructional and designing learning experiences for all students. Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think you're good at number 4?
So I'm been a STEM teacher for a while, and I'm good at doing the hands-on project things that meet the right level of each student and keep them going.
Oh, okay. Is there, for this lesson, is there a CSTP that you'd like to zone in on and focus on?
I think with the current environment and the challenges we've got with the Zoom classes and distance learning, I think engaging and supporting all students is a goal that I have personally.
Yeah, when I was looking at the CSTPs, I was thinking the same thing. Because of everything that's going on and being on Zoom, being online, it's a lot harder to make sure that you're holding the students' engagement while distance learning. So I think that's a good one. Is there any, can you think of any way that you're gonna keep track of their engagement throughout the session?
So what I've been doing a lot of is I ask them questions, yes, no questions, and have them click in the box, green and red, and then I also ask them open-ended questions where they need to answer in the chat box. And I will either do that like a publicly one, maybe so they can help each other, or one that's privately so they all, and then I expect them all to answer. So talk about those.
Okay, great.